Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 92. Number 1. Flatter, thither, aster, waters, enters, neuter. Number 2. Fender, lavender, shedder, feeders, godfathers. Number 3. Central, centralization, dicentric, eccentric. Number 4. Bidder, spider, plotter, sector, painter, winter. Number 5. Louder, lothar, builder, cylinder, chambermaid, sinker, hunger, hungered, whimper, conqueror. Number 6. Mutter, muttered, wander, wandered, temper, tempered, alter, altered, shatter, shattered. Number 7. Pander, pantry, seconder, secondary, water, watery, cinder, cindery, enter, entry. Full stop.